Big up Crosses TV.
So me I tell you no Crosses, man. I want no blood clot Crosses TV. I want Crosses alone, my blood clot like on a Crosses TV. Woman.
That guys. Then I whisper over here and this is my TikTok. I'm gonna tell me, you know. Alright. Whenever you come on this, come tell me a lie still, you know, because I can't tell them. I just feel like my lie them are going to catch up with me. When I can't read, hold on. I know it's not call. When you not hear me? I'm more I go call and she go call and she go call and she go call. All when me I decline her calling. Alright. I don't understand how you say saying at the voice note, right? How you saying at the voice note? Because remember you sing and you preach. I'm not mindful of them, I remember them, and I talk about them. Even if I old voice note, because the voice note was I see her the 25th of March, right? So even if I old voice note, right? Remember, you know, you're a mindful of girl. Come on from my live team. Whatever you want name. Man, I care if the voice note old or not. Always remember it saying a mindful of girl, and a this a girl, and a that a girl. Firstly, tell the people them say I make you very uncomfortable in the party because I did really depend anything where you depend. And you could do nothing at all. Even when you are parried my enemy, you could do nothing at all. I not ask you, I tell you. I'm supposed to add for any girl who add for me. Yeah, the 25th of March or whatever. I'm supposed to add for any girl who add for me and come off from my live. Remember $100 me fuck for and I 5 bills them fuck for. Remember good. Remember them come class me, I say $100 me fuck for and I 5 bills them fuck for. Come on from my live, whatever you want name. Alright, legendary. Come on from my live. Kashina, come on from my live. Listen, I'm not have no problem with the Bahrain, you know. Me just not Bahrain, you know. Me just not borrow. I'm not borrow. I do not borrow. Everybody different. Man, I give them body no moderator because I like when them comment no, I don't like for my life, I can block them off of my page, not remove them. I mega always say it. It's a reaction, it is worse than Obia. Yeah? Reaction worse than Obia. Sometimes I have to be careful of the things they want to do to people because the things they want to do to people, listen to me and I'm telling you, say me the in a group chat. When I say me the in a group chat, me the in a group chat and see she a class up Chevelle and a Chevelle pity them in the most ways. I have this message from the group chat up to this day. And the way I see she do Chevelle, and I use same one turn around and say, me that friend back Chevelle in her just because she a part Suki. And she know I don't like Suki. And the way she class up Chevelle and Chevelle pity them, I'm afraid in the group. I'm say I'm afraid in the group, my heart dropping on my belly. Yeah? My heart dropping on my belly. Come say if you can be a friend so for how much years? Who is me? Carissa, come up from my live. Them class every single body. Them class me. Remember somebody there on and them class. I see a girl put you up in them house. You just come a foreign and you class up the girl. But then they carry you when you class up the girl and the girl put you up. And none of the 5,000 man where you did that fuck never put you up. Them listen to me, them not care who them are class. Just man, I'm gonna block you from my life because I take me for a joke now. Reaction worse than Obia, yeah? I'm gonna always say it. Them say I could be 43 and say delusional. I say them delusional. And when them done, them say people are team up against them and I talk down upon them and I do this against them and them is that you're not that girl behavior. You are not that girl, you know. You are not that girl, you know. When people are class her, them for class her because she deserve it. She deserve it because of all of the wickedness them when she do her friend them. A girl never put me up, you know. And a girl never give me none of them clothes. Or they never force me none of them clothes. They never give me none of them clothes. I'ma put it on it. Or say me like this. Suki, I could have swear my text you. I could have swear my text you. I could have swear my text you. I want to tell you the things that everybody did feel like say. I lie not say I tell. Me know them class me I say $100 me fuck for. Alright. I never fuck a artist yet. So who not talk like me I gang up with nobody at Jenna whatever you want name cause from see that name them say is a fake page. Not to send $900 me. Mother buy a wig. Then I would tag ambitious Tiffany over here and Tiffany so ambitious. Then I will really tag Peach Mommy over here. In a them Kaylee Sissy and she's so ambitious. Davina them a zero, you know. Davina them is zero. Davina them still wear underpants. I'm not supposed to follow up Davina. I'm going to tell you so the people them want to come out of them here for the tree. Some of them never did believe me. And you see it? I'm going to tell you so the people them did want to fuck me from me about 17 and they never believe me. I'm never come on this come telling no one lie yet. I'm going to tell you so them never have money yet. Them never have money yet. Them cash up ever low. Them cash ever low. And I never believe me. Only the have to make somebody job for them computer. Only the have to make people job for them computer. And put each file have a name on it. Always want pimp out our friend them. Nina, don't come and bother about this because I filed my uncle file for me. Don't do it yet. How tired are you? I'm going to tell you all of the things and never they believe me. So I lie, I'm going to tell you about Busta Rhymes and Flipper Mafia them and Dino Bolt them and the 10 different times when them get battery for blow dryer, for comb, for toothbrush, and they never did believe me. I don't know what, I don't know, and they never did believe me. Somebody said Natty all over, you know I breathe heavy. 500 and a bad still, you know. I'm not nobody in a 500 and a bad. 500 and a bad. 500, I'm going to take a bit off of my life because I can't take only hypocrisy over here, so 500 and a bad, you know. Bad to bad, 500 and a bad. It's just as that come from one artist. Because remember me still a fuck for free. So it's not really bad. It's not really bad. But the fact say, the friend never give her the $500. I just that. Actually, hit me and try to say just because she never get the $500, and that's why it's so bad. 500 is bad to bad. I'm not compare and come behave like say, he's an artist, he's a artist. So, she should have get triple it. But 500 is bad. If you come from a regular man, 500 is bad. Yeah, the girl should have given her the money. Bad to bad. What a girl name? Can't even know her name. She should have given her the money. I can't take Britty over my life. Listen to me now, Mama telling you. I got telling you this. I got telling you for the last time. Them is not that girl. When I tell you, so them is not that girl, them is not that girl. Them are not Ari, them are not Jada Wade, them is not that girl. And if you don't want to go lower, them are not Suki them. Since you don't want to go it, them are not Suki them, them are not Jody them are not the Miami girls them is not that girl. Them is not that girl. Them talk so powerful over themselves till it is so crazy. No, Suki not low, but Suki them is not like Ari and Jada Wade them. I not talk Suki and I talk my Suki. Them is not that girl. I don't know where them get this look image from because them can put on the two look Shein clothes them and the two look Forever 21 them and whether other brand they name and them say alright them I can put this together and whatever. When I'm telling you say them don't have no priorities and the things I lie me I tell. When I'm telling you say the reason them they have to leave Bronx because them never they have pay them rent to the thing I lie me I tell. When I come telling you fuck your store about them phone did last so them could get for pay no storage fee. Listen to me now. Start my people chicken here. I'm not turn on the light, so I'm going to take you off of my live. Remember me take them, resurrect them from the dead already with food. So, them is not that girl. Them not have no priorities. No priorities them don't have. No priorities. No, I'm not saying anything is wrong with Shein clothes. Half of my clothes them is from Shein. But when you're gonna say you're that girl now, and I behave like say Shein clothes them is designer now, that's how women just can't take a delusional behavior. You could have never be that girl. You could never be that girl. I'm gonna go an example. You could never come and not pray for nobody downfall, but as I say, I always say it. Be careful what you do to people because reaction worse than OB. I mean, no can be reaction. No can be reaction. That's why I'm not do nobody in a life. No look evenness, none of them something there. But imagine you're that girl, right? You never have to go up on TikTok go beg. And say my broke and I don't have $1. And if you post up your Zelle and your this and your that. And then when I look upon him,